In Karnataka, a rally was held in Bangalore ahead of the assembly elections in the state on the 5th of May. Nothing unusual about it given that it is election season, but this was a rally led by the newly formed Bangalore Political Action Committee that has the ambitious aim of getting the urban educated middle class involved in the election process, starting with getting them to vote. The organization has some of Bangalore's best known names, is headed by Biocon's Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Maya Sharma has more.
This rally is about the Karnataka elections for sure, but it's about getting people to vote, and the target really is the young, the urban, middle class, educated people turning out here to take part in this rally. The very well-known and not so well-known people pounding Bangalore's pavements in this rally do hope this assembly election in Karnataka will be different.
Bangalore is excited about our city again. We want them to come out and vote. We want them to help make Bangalore cleaner, greener, and a better place to live in.
Middle class Bangalore is out, young Bangalore is out, and we are not only talking the talk, but walking the talk.
The rally is the brainchild of the Bangalore Political Action Committee, headed by Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw.
Basically, we want to build a society with better responsible citizens and responsible politicians, because that's the only way you can deliver better governance. So BPAC is really committed to getting the urban, educated, middle class, and especially the youth. What you see today are really new voters, the young, the youth. And we're trying to encourage them to engage with the political process by starting to vote.
The urban educated middle class has often been ignored by political parties, mainly because many of them don't take the trouble to vote. BPAC hopes to make a beginning in changing that attitude, and that all those expressing their faith in the democratic process in this rally will actually make it to the polling booth on voting day. With Govind Murthy, Maya Sharma in Bangalore for NDTV.